We're going to be looking at summer flowering shrubs, and they're great for adding colour to the garden in the early part of the summer, but also for scent. This is one of the mock orange, Philadelphus microphyllus, and for the first part of the summer it's got a really heavily scented flower. It's absolutely wonderful to walk past. But as soon as the flowers are finished, it's time to give it a bit of a tidy up and a trim, because if we don't, it just gets bigger and bigger and overgrows its position. And as we can see, these stems here are the ones that have had the beautiful flowers on all the way through the summer. You can see all these old flower heads on there, but if we look inside the plant here, we've got lots of lovely fresh new growth that's going to give us the flowers next year. So what we're aiming to do now, and it's a really simple job to do, is cut out some of the old wood and leave in as much of the new wood, at the same time giving it a shape. So what I'm going to do, I've got an old flowering stem here, so I'm going to trace that back to here, and we can see then we've got a lovely nice new shoot. So all I'm going to do is cut the old wood off to that point. Likewise this one here, I'm going to take it there. There are some side shoots growing there, so we can just snip that back and that will grow up and flower next year. And if we go over the whole of the plant, just taking some of this off, not too hard, giving it a good shape, it means that next year we'll get a real massive blossom that's going to be so scented.